Hello students, welcome back once again in this video. Today I am going to teach you this chapter, A Gift of Chapels, written by Vasanta Surya, class 7 English Literature. So in this chapter I will describe the summary of this chapter so that you can understand it properly, because this chapter is very long. That's why means it will take a lot of time, and to reduce the time I have made it summary. You can get the full idea of it, so listen it carefully. Mridu is a young girl living with her grandmother Tapi and grandfather Thatha in Chennai. So Mridu, few characters here in this chapter you will find: Mridu, Rukumani, Tapi, Thatha, Lali, Rani, Mira. Okay, as the chapter, as the things go on, you will understand the characters also. Mridu is a young girl living with her grandmother Tapi and grandfather Thatha in Chennai. So name of grandmother is Tapi and the name of grandfather is Thatha. Okay, so Mridu lives with them, with grandfather and grandmother in Chennai. One day Mridu goes to her aunt Rukumani's house. So one day Mridu goes to her aunt's house. Her aunt's name is Rukumani, and meets her cousin. So there she meets her cousin. Okay, three cousins are there: Lali, Ravi, and Meena. So she goes there in her aunt's house, and she meets her cousins Lali, Ravi, and Meena. Everyone was happy by Mridu's presence at Rukumani's house. So when Mridu comes Rukumani's house or her aunt's house, so everyone was happy by the presence of Mridu. Ravi took her beside the backyard. So as she comes in her house, Ravi, okay, her cousin brother, took her beside the backyard. Backyard means there is a yard in the back side of the house. Okay, yard means the open space of the house. On the back side of the house there is an open space. The Ravi took her to that side. There a small little kitten was busy drinking milk inside a half shell of a coconut. So there they found a cat. Okay, a small kitten, not a cat, a small kitten. Okay, it was busy drinking milk. That small kitten was busy drinking milk. That means the small kitten was taking milk at that point of time. Where the small kitten is taking milk, in half shell of a coconut. There is a shell of a coconut. So in the half shell, the shell is half. So in that half shell, okay, the kitten is taking milk. Meena informed Mridu that they must keep the kitten secret, otherwise the grandmother will leave the house immediately. Grandmother, okay, lives there in the house, okay, but she does not like the kitten at all. So that's why, okay, Meena informed Mridu, okay, that they must keep the kitten secret. Meena, Mridu's cousin sister Meena, she informed Mridu that they must keep the kitten secret. Okay, otherwise grandmother will leave the house immediately. If grandmother comes to know about the kitten, okay, living in the house, okay, and taking milk or something like that, definitely her mother is going to leave the house. Even when Ravi was kind toward the kitten, elders were screaming at them, calling the kitten a dirty creature. Even when Ravi was kind towards the kitten, okay, when Ravi was means kind, he was showing sympathy to the kitten, to kindness to the kitten. What happened? Elders were screaming. Elders means the elder of the family. For example, Ravi's mother, okay, his grandmother, so they are elders. They are screaming, okay, at them. At them means they were there. The elders were screaming at them. Screaming means shouting in a loud manner at them, calling the kitten a dirty creature. And when they screamed, when they made loud noise about the kitten, that they said that the kitten was a dirty creature. When he was taking out milk for the kitten, his grandmother doubted on him. So he convinced her that the milk that was taken wrong by him. So I'm pausing here because of the rainfall. I will come back when the rain stops because it interrupts in making video.